It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 16. Oh, I have no idea. This is a big box. I'm not sure what would go in here that would make that sound. Oh, pens. All right, we get a set of pens. Oh, I love the two-tone. Okay, let me see. There's words on the sides. Let's take a look at them. I just love the packaging anyways. Okay. Oh, it says good weird. I love you. Now go away. Yep, pretty much because we're busy sewing, right? And super famous Sparkle Mart. They're kind of like old school. I'm a clicker. This is what I do. I drive everybody crazy. Those are adorable and perfect for me to click.